Today, we're focusing on feedback and the performance appraisal process, which are both essential parts of managing employee performance effectively. In any organization, appraisal systems are meant to do more than simply rate employees. They help assess contributions, identify strengths, uncover development needs, and support future growth. While performance reviews have traditionally relied heavily on a supervisor's perspective, organizations have increasingly recognized that one person rarely sees the full picture. That is why many employers now look to broader feedback methods that capture performance from multiple angles. Historically, performance appraisals have been led by the employee's direct supervisor. That makes sense because supervisors are typically responsible for setting expectations, monitoring performance, and evaluating whether goals have been met. They often have the clearest line of sight into productivity, accountability, and job outcomes. However, even strong supervisors do not see every interaction, every behavior, or every working relationship. As organizations become more collaborative and team-based, it becomes clear that supervisor feedback alone may not provide a complete or fully balanced assessment. That is where 360-degree feedback comes in. A 360-degree feedback process gathers performance input from multiple people who regularly interact with the employee. This often includes the supervisor, peers, direct reports, and in some cases, even customers or clients. Instead of relying on just one perspective, this approach creates a fuller and more realistic picture of how the employee performs across different relationships and situations. In HR, this is valuable because performance is not just about what gets done. It is also about how the work gets done and how the employee shows up in the workplace. One of the biggest strengths of 360-degree feedback is that it provides richer and more detailed information than a supervisor-only review. A manager may evaluate outcomes, but peers often see collaboration and teamwork. Direct reports experience leadership style and communication firsthand. When these perspectives come together, organizations can evaluate both performance results and workplace behavior in a more balanced and meaningful way. Another key benefit of 360-degree feedback is accountability. Employees are reminded that how they treat others matters just as much as what they accomplish. It is not enough to manage up well while neglecting peers or subordinates. Strong performance includes professionalism, respect, and effective communication across all relationships. This is especially important in today's collaborative work environments. Whether they say it out loud or not, most employees are asking the same question: where do I stand? The appraisal process answers that question. It provides clarity around performance, progress, and future direction. When employees have that clarity, they are better equipped to focus their efforts, make improvements, and take ownership of their development. HR plays a critical role in shaping how feedback is delivered and used. This includes designing appraisal systems, training leaders, and ensuring consistency and fairness. Feedback should not be treated as a one-time event. Instead, it should be part of an ongoing conversation that supports continuous development and stronger workplace relationships. At its core, feedback is one of the most powerful tools in performance management. While traditional reviews still matter, 360-degree feedback provides a more complete and balanced view of performance. When done well, it supports accountability, builds self-awareness, and drives continuous improvement for both employees and the organization.